Hi friends, I'm Chef Nilesh Limaye and they call me Sindabad the Chef. Welcome to Nature's Basket Cook-A-Thon, a 15-day festival featuring 15 chefs in collaboration with TravelDine.
So Chef, tell me, what is your favorite Christmas dish?
My favorite Christmas dish, if you ask me, it has memories of my training days in Taj, and we used to do lots and lots of roast turkeys, and I know the complete process on how to go about doing that roast turkey. You need so many ingredients, but finally when the turkeys come out of the oven, they are nice golden brown. The stuffing inside is tasty because we used to make it with lots of herbs, bread, butter, then the bacon, it had the pistachios, it had everything, that mushrooms, the offals, and this roast turkey, we used to serve it with the brown sauce and the cranberry gravy. Nothing can beat that. It's a perfect Christmas meal. One can have it on 25th December lunch, and we used to make so many of them, and I still remember that aroma when we used to cook it, roast it, and there used to be a whole lot of jing bang before this actually happened, because the turkeys had to be dressed. There's so much workload for that. Then the turkey gravy had to be prepared, so there was a lot of work involved, but finally the outcome of that was beautiful. And we all chefs after everything had been done, so on 24th night, because in the hotels we never go home, we're always working, slogging. So the best memory was to carved one turkey for us on the Christmas Eve, that's on 24th night, really make all the necessary arrangement on our work tables, the works, the best crockery, the ultimate cutlery, the roast turkey only made by us, for us. That's the one time where chefs, we used to gorge on it. Exactly how we would serve for ourselves on that particular night, and we used to just enjoy in the hotel, in the kitchen, all our colleagues. We used to have great time on that. So roast turkey, beat down.
That's so great. So if I have to ask you one destination you want to travel to, or one destination you want to travel and celebrate Christmas, what would it be?
This reminds me to go to Madeira. Madeira is a wonderful island of between the Azores Seas. It's a Portuguese island, but the fireworks there on the eve of 24th December, mind-blowing, beautiful. I mean, the atmosphere is so electric. The atmosphere is so eclectic. There's a nice, it doesn't snow there, so it has that nice chilled wintry night, and you have wonderful people all around. Everybody's cheerful, so festive. There's a huge Christmas tree right in the center of the town hall, and they do the fireworks, and you can see the marina on the side. Every yacht is decked up with lighting, and the entire landscape is so like a postcard. I can never forget that Madeira evening.
So you either tell me about your favorite Christmas gift you have received, or you have gifted someone.
We get lots of hampers on Christmas, during Christmas. So I think the Christmas pudding has to go wonderful with this. And I received a special gift from my friend in Australia, and it was very she remembered, and as a wonderful gift she sent me a nice Santa Claus socks filled with some good goodies, some Australian one recipe book on the Australian barbecue, and there was this lovely, they have this pecan nuts there, and the macadamia nuts. It was the chocolates made with this, so it was just simple, lovely, but it is so memorable even today that you can never forget such gifts. This was one of my best gifts that I received on Christmas. And of course the greeting cards, the first comes the greeting cards. See, here we have forgotten the greeting cards, but somehow in Europe or in Western countries, the greeting card still has a purpose, because I think they feel that it's from their heart. So it's kind of a token. It's very easy to send a WhatsApp, but when you get something by post, you just feel so happy about it. And when you receive a greeting card from friends all over, your people whom we have worked with across the globe in different places, and then you get this wonderful Christmas greeting card, they are just something to keep for.